Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your nickname in someone else's server or your own server. And just to know, it's very easy and simple, it's not complicated. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. At first, when you're on your server, on someone else's server, find yourself here on online people, and then right click on yourself and click on change nickname. Yeah, here, and now you can change your nickname. Let's say Thanos, and click on save. And as you can see, now my nickname is Thanos. Actually, that doesn't change your Discord username, because as you can see, my Discord username is the Meg. So that is working also if you're owning, if this server belongs to you, you can change to the nicknames to others. I mean, if you have some friends here, just right click on them and click on change nickname, and yeah, change their nicknames. So that was it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them down in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.